See, slippery. Also, I want to mention when you start to practice the monkey, if you're doing it on top of an obstacle, that's a good way to start practicing. Sooner or later, you're going to want to go over the obstacle. So you can pretty much like practice anywhere, but you have to cover a distance, so you need more running speed. Simple. Make sure you get your feet up. You have to get your feet up, drive your knees up to the sky, or you'll do this. Your feet will get caught, then you'll most likely fall, but I know how to hit my feet and then just keep moving. But yes, and then later on you can progress it to a Kong where your body is more straight or in the air, this being like your feet. A monkey, you're going up over the obstacle. A Kong is more like a dive, you're diving out over the obstacle. So you can practice monkey anywhere. Monkey, small monkey. And practice on a rock monkey. Slippery. Be careful. It's a very slippery. Monkey vault. Small monkey. Slippery. Be careful.